So we start out today's video with this lamp customization. I absolutely love the idea of buying your own lamp and then revamping it to make it into something a little bit more your style. You can, of course, thrift a lamp or just buy one. It's really up to you, but it is just a great way to add your own personal touch to your home. So she's spray painting this one, and I think the shape of the lampshade is such a fun little flower, so pretty. So she's adding a little bit of a design with a marker. Very cool idea. Looks like she's using some type of like paint marker for that. Not entirely sure, but this is such a cool design. Oh wow, so cool. Love the overall aesthetic for this, the color scheme. Absolutely stunning idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some popular trending DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone making some type of side table. I thought that this was really cool how she put like the little puck light in here and made like a little lighted effect. I really like that idea. And then we have someone making some type of clock design. Well, she made it so that you can see like all the gears and stuff. Wow, this is so cool. I really like this design. She probably sells those because that looks very professional. Easy DIY by Easy Interior, one of my favorite follower or DIY creators that I follow. So she's doing some type of art here, kind of like that restoration hardware inspired look. Oh, that is cool. So then we have someone making pedestal. What do they call these things? Table tray, pedestal table. Oh, that's pretty. I love the colors, the marble and the gold. Then we have some corn husk here. I bet you could create a lot of stuff with this material because it's so like flexible and palatable. Like she made some type of flower. Oh wow, that is so beautiful. Oh, that is gorgeous. And then we have a Plexi glass inspired DIY. Plexiglass is actually like a huge trendy material right now. A lot of people use it to make like vase and things of that nature. Tables. So she's using a heating gun to bend it. I like that texture on this. This is pretty. Oh wow, what a cool shape. So it looks like she did 2 different designs here. Very cool. I absolutely love this. And with the nice tulips, oh, just screams spring. Then we have a life hack. So they're using the washing tablets. I don't know, what do you call these? Scented tablets. You know, the ones that you put in the wash and make your clothes smell good. So she's using that in her toilet. Oh, that might be a good hack to try out. We all got like those little washing beads. Well, I'd say most of us do. Then we have an Ikea hat. Oh, nice. You could do the same thing and leave them clear if you really wanted to, but I really like the aesthetic. And then we got a mushroom inspired DIY. Mushrooms, as you guys know, are a huge trend right now. So she's making these with a glue gun. Now this isn't really personally my style, but this could be a great project to try out if you're bored. You're just looking for something to do on like a lazy Saturday. And we got someone spray painting some type of planter here. Oh, they're putting ice in here. Oh, they're using it as an ice bucket. Not a bad idea, especially summer coming around. Oh, and it's got a little top too. A little side table, that's cool. And then we have an actual table DIY. Looks like something they thrifted. So they're sanding it down. Oh, she's just gonna spray paint that. Oh, this is an easy furniture flip. Like, I feel like anyone can just grab some spray paint, you know? Oh, she put it in the girls' room. Oh, that's cute. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.